Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. As we all know that we have already finished our first semester examination. Hope you all have done well in your examinations. So now let us move forward to the second semester. And in the second semester, the chapter number 1 which we are going to study is Advanced Features of MS Word. We all are familiar with the MS Word, but here in this chapter we will study about the advanced features of MS Word that are clip art, word art, smart art and tables. So let us move towards the introduction first. MS Word is a very versatile processing language. We can create different type of documents using it. Some of the advanced features of MS Word include word art, smart art, clip art and tables. Let us study about all these features in detail. First we will study about word art. So a word art is a text styling tool of MS Word that allows us to use the special effects such as bending, twisting, shading, rotating text in our document. There is a gallery from which styles can be selected. Let's see some examples of word art. Okay, so what is a word art? A word art is a text styling tool. It means to give a different styles to your text which you have written. Once you have written a text, you can bend it, you can twist it, you can shade it and you can also rotate your text using the word art. So let us see that how a word art is used. First, how to insert a word art. Inserting word art. To insert a word art, open a Word file and then click at the place where the word art has to be inserted. Follow these steps. First, from the Insert tab, click on the Word Art button in the text group and a word art box will be opened. Select a word art style and then click on it. A text box appears in the document. Then type the text in the space provided in the text box. So here we are writing welcome. Then choose the style of the shape from the shape style group from the format tab. Okay, so now let us see the stepwise. First, in the step 1 you have seen that you have to go to the insert tab. In the insert tab you have to select text tab and you will see that the various text style will be there. In the text box you have to write the word or the letter or the text which you want to write. Okay, so from that you have to select, that is a step 4, you have to select the shape from the shape style group of the format tab. So this is how you have to insert the word line. Okay, so the next step is you have to choose the fill color and the outline of the shape option from the shape fill and shape outline buttons respectively, again from the shape style groups of format tab. Then you can apply a visual effects to the shape by selecting the desired effect from the shape effect button from the shape style group of the format tab. Then to apply a visual effect to the text, you have to click on the text effects button in the word art style group of format tab and then you have to choose the desired effect you want. So here you will see that the many effects will be shown to you. You have to select the effect which you want. Okay, so this is how you have to insert the word art and how a word art is created. After that, to close the word art, click away from the word art text and you will see that the word art is closed. So these are the steps to insert a word art into your document. Okay, so now let us see that how to apply the shadow effects to the word art. The shadow effect is applied to the word art object and to shadow it. Follow the given steps to apply this effect. First, you have to select the word art object. For example, you have written here computer science project. So first you have to select that word art object. Then go to the format tab, that is under the word art tools appear. You can see the figure on the right side and you will find that how the steps is implemented. In the third step, in the text effects group, click on the shadow option that is available and then click on the shadow style you want from the right side. To change the shadow color, select the text fill option and choose the desired color from the color palette. And you will see that your word art will be there with the shadow effects. Next point, that is applying the 3D rotation to your word art. The 3D effect is applied to an object to give it a three-dimensional appearance, that is a 3D effect. Follow the given steps to add the effect to a word art object. First, you have to select the word art object. Then the Format tab under the Word Art tool will be appears. Select the Text Effects option and click on the 3D rotation. Select the desired 3D rotation. So here can you see from the figure, you will see that the various 3D effects will be there when you will select the 3D rotation option. From that you have to select the effect which you want. Then you can also change the 3D color, you can also change the direction, the lighting direction and the surface. Depending on your choice, the effects will be applied on the word art text. That is how to apply the 3D rotation. Next point is editing the word art. Once you have already created the word art, now you want to edit it. Then there are the various steps to edit the word art. First, click on the inserted word art to make the word art drawing tool reappear. So first you have to click on the word art that is inserted. Then edit the text in the text box. For example, instead of computer science project, you want to write any other text, then you can edit it while going to the text box and you can rewrite the text which you want. Click on the Format tab and make the desired changes. After that, to close the word art, click away from the word art text, and this is how you can edit the word art. Next topic is moving the word art. A word art inserted in a document can be moved from one place to another by following these steps. First, you have to click on the word art text. Click on the position button in the Arrange group of the Format tab. Then select the desired position of the text on the page. Okay, so this is how you can move a word art. So first you have to click on the text of the word art, then you have to click on the position button that is in the Arrange group of the Format tab. And then select the position where you want your text to be placed. This is how you can move your text or word art from one place to another. To close the word art, click away from the word art text. Okay, so this is how we move the word art. Next is resizing the word art. Click once on the word art, the small dots will be appeared around the shape. They are called the resize handles. You will see that the small dots will be available on all the corners, all the sides of the word art. So that are called the resize handles. You have to drag their corner and you have to resize your word art. This is how we can resize the word art. Next is deleting the word art. So to delete the word art, simply click once on the word art shape and then press the delete key from the keyboard. This is how we can delete the word art. Okay, so here we have studied first, that is the first advanced features of MS Word, that is word art. We have seen that how to create a word art, then how to apply the shadow effects on the word art, how to apply 3D rotation effect on the word art, how to edit the word art, how to move the word art, how to resize the word art, and finally how to delete the word art. Now let us move to the another topic. It means the another features of the word, that is inserting the graphics. How to insert a graphics to your document. A picture is worth 1,000 words. For example, if you write an entire essay, then it will take a lot of time and it will be boring. But instead of writing that essay, if you insert a picture regarding what you want to write or regarding what message you want to convey, then the picture will say 1,000 words itself. This quote is very simply conveys how important the graphics like clip arts, pictures or images are in the document. So first let us see how to insert a clip art. So first, what is a clip art? The clip art are the ready-made images which is used to illustrate a document. MS Word has a big gallery of clip arts. The various steps to insert a clip art in a document are listed below. So first you have to press the cursor in the document where you want to insert a clip art. Now you have to go to the Insert tab and then click on the clip art section of the illustrations group. Okay, so on the right side you will see that how the steps is implemented. In the book itself you will find the steps to insert the clip art. MS Word displays the clip art gallery on the right side of the window. So after that you have to click on the search box and you have to type the name of the picture which you want. For example, if you want the picture of mango, then you have to write mango and all the pictures of the mango will be displayed. Okay, so after typing the name of the picture you want, or simply click on the go button, and many pictures regarding to your search will be appeared in the blocks. Click on the picture which you want to select it. The picture will get inserted in the document. As we seen on the left side, the image of the lady working on laptop or a computer is displayed. So whichever picture you will select will be inserted in your document. Then you can drag it, you can resize the inserted picture in your document. This is how you can insert a clip art. Next is inserting a picture from the file. Place the cursor in the document where the picture is to be inserted. Then click on the picture option in the illustration group of the insert tab. Same as we done in the clip art. An insert picture box will be appeared. Find and select the desired picture in a computer. After that, click on the insert button and the picture will get inserted. Once the picture is inserted in the document, it can be moved from one location to another. It can be resized and it can also be text wrapped. Downside, you can see the steps, that is first, second and third steps to insert the picture given. Now let us see how to move a graphic from one location to another. Once we have inserted a graphic in our document, we can reposition it from one location to another within the document. Let us see the steps to move the graphic. First, you have to click on the graphic to select it and you will find the blue dots will be displayed around it as shown in the figure. They are called the corner handles. Resize or right click to open the drop down menu. Select square from the wrap text options. Now we can drag the selected graphic to any position on the page using the left mouse button. Okay, so this is how you can move a graphic from one location to another. Now let us see the next topic, that is resizing the graphic. After moving the graphic, you can also resize the graphic inserted. Once we have inserted a graphic in our document, we can resize it by clicking and dragging the different corner handles. The various steps to resize the graphic are listed below. First, click on the graphic that is to be resized. Blue dots are displayed around it. They are called the corner handles. Now you have to place a cursor on one of the corner handles and the cursor will changes into a double-headed arrow. After that, click on the left mouse button and drag the handle and you will see that the size will be changed. So dragging the side, top or bottom handles will bring the changes in the size of the graphic into different operations. So the original image is displayed at the first and you will see that the bottom or the top handle is dragged and the size of that is increased. Then the size handle is dragged and the width is increased, and finally the corner handle is dragged and the picture is become of the smaller size. Next and the last topic of this session is wrapping text around a graphic. Text wrap setting actually determines the relation between the text and the graphic. On inserting a graphic onto the page, the text appears in the line by default. But if you want to wrap the text next to the picture, then the text wrapping on the images needed to be changed. To do this, you have to follow the various steps that is given below. First, click on the image tab and then select the wrap text option that is available on the arrange group of the format tab and choose any of the given options, and you will find that your text or your wrap text will be happened around the graphic. Okay, so here we are finishing our session. In the next session, we will move forward to create the table in MS Word. That is another features of MS Word. Okay, so bye-bye. Have a great day ahead.